Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome once again to Kenyatta College for today's Golden State Collegiate Baseball League wild card game between the visiting Atwater Aviators and the home team, the San Francisco Seagulls. This is your announcer, Dion, bringing you this live telecast via BayAreaSports.tv. Well, this looks like the Seagulls are the host, while the Aviators are the visiting team. Bat first, looks like. Oh, two-pitch runner goes to swing a ground ball. That's a hit and run play. Nice! Oh, it's like the shortstop at least able to stop it, but he has no play. A ball and a strike. Here comes the right-hander Blair. He's ready. The 1-1 pitch. It is swinging a ground ball. That's going to be in the hole. Base hit to left field. He'll have to stop. Oh, looks like the runner's going to have to stop. It was kind of pumping the left fielder, and he holds it station to station. Motion and the pitch. Swing line drive over second. That's going to be a base hit to right center. One run will score. The second run. No, it's like the ball is juggled by the right fielder. The runner's going to have to. The runner on first will have to stop at third. So 2-run score, courtesy of a 2-run single by the Seagull designated hitter. 0-1 pitch. It's supposed to be. Uh-oh, the ball skips away. That's going to put the runner on second.
No three.
That was a ball. Hey, you're the one supposed to keep track of that, not me. And then here comes Hanson. He's into the stretch. There's a 3-1 pitch. And a swing, a ground ball hit to third. He's going to come to the plate. He may have a throw. He throws it away! And the runner scores. And going to second is the batter. So I guess, that was a bang at the plate. I guess, Aviators are on the board. Now it's like the runner has to be kept away. What's all this? Now it's like Kavika is going to argue the call. I don't know what this is all about. Wow. The outcome of this game is still very much in doubt. Here it comes. It's swing a ground ball on 0-1 pitch to short. First off has to hurry. Here's the throw. It's thrown away. Yeah. Oh, dude. Oh, yeah. Sure. Looks like motion and pitch. Oh, that's a painful blow. So Jelly goes to first and being pushed to second is Nick McGrew. 0-2. The pitch skips away and the runner throw to second base. Man play. He's going to be out. And advancing to third is McGrew. So Jelly out trying to go to second. So there is one out. Third ball. We'll see. 2-2. Ground ball in the hole. It's going to be a base hit. Jogging in to score is McGrew, so the Seagulls obtained some breathing room as well as insurance. 3-1, San Francisco. Here's the 1-0 pitch. Swing the line drive into left center. It's going to shoot the gap and fall in for a base hit. Right to the center fielder picks it off quickly. Here's the throw in. It's going to be a base hit. Now stopping on third, all the way from first to third is Murray. First and third with one out. Here's the stretch by the right hitter. There, he deals it. Swing a line drive to center field. It's going to be a base hit. Here comes Murray to score. The runner's going to try for third. The relay man drops the throw as Ryan stops the third and Murray comes in. So it's 4-1 Seagulls. Still one out.
Now at number 43, Ishmael Orozco.
Ismael Orozco coming up to bat. So I guess the Seagulls obtained some breathing room here in the fifth. Southpaw. 1-2. Swinging a pop-up. This is foul. It's out of place. So 1-2. Matt Riley from San Carlos is going to be doing the stadium announcing tomorrow. I can't wait to meet this team.
Very good.
I'm sure he's a cool guy. Snores when he sleeps. Well, dude, I know that reality. We're going to bluff pitch grounded to third. It's going to be scooped. Third to second, number 1 on the first. Ball game! And the Seagulls are going to the finals.